Hey, Emily. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Samantha. I know, it's been ages. I've been keeping busy with work. I'm trying to cut back on my overtime hours, but it's proving to be quite challenging.
I understand. It's important to maintain a work-life balance. You should look into some relaxation techniques, like meditation or yoga. They can really help you unwind.
That's a great idea. I've been meaning to take up yoga for a while now. Maybe it's time to finally do it. By the way, how's your new job going?
It's going well, thanks. I've settled in nicely and I'm getting along with my colleagues. The workload can be a bit overwhelming at times, but I'm managing.
That's fantastic to hear. I'm proud of you for taking on a new challenge. By the way, have you heard from Lisa recently?
Oh, yes. We caught up last week. She's doing great. She's really taken to her new job and she's looking forward to new opportunities.
That's wonderful. I need to catch up with her too. We used to be inseparable. We've been out of touch for way too long.
Absolutely. You should reach out to her. She'd love to hear from you. By the way, have you given up on your plan to travel this year?
Well, not entirely. I've had to put off my travel plans for now due to some unexpected expenses. But I'm saving up again and I'm determined to go on that trip next year.
That's the spirit. You should look forward to it. It'll be an amazing experience. In the meantime, we should get together more often. It's always nice to catch up with you.
I agree. I'm looking forward to our next meetup. Let's make sure we set aside some time soon. How about next weekend?
Sounds perfect. I'll mark it down in my calendar. It'll be great to spend some quality time with you.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.